once again I'm going to show you my screen. I tried to show it on mobile, but it was not working. So again, yes, if you go on Google Drive, to the left side, so many options are there. First option is new. Just click on that. It will show so many options. Downside, more option is there. And in that first option is Google Forms.
Hmm.
Click on this one and create and share. First option, create, and in that Google Forms, then it will show you this form, untitled form. You can just give your class name, for example, class first and maths. Then to add an image, go to the customize tab, customize theme. It's the second option to the right side of the add-ons. Choose an image, the image which Abhay is going to send, same image everyone will select. After uploading the image, as I have done here in settings, collect email addresses. It's collecting the email addresses to send the result. If we require to send the results on over the email, then this will be required, and this is also required so that students will not attempt the test second time. Then here, downside of this, you can give some notes. If you want to give some notes in form description downside of your title, you can give notes to the students how they are going to solve it. They have to select only one option. Whatever notes, whatever suggestions you want to give to the students, that you can give. Then the second thing, first this should be the multiple choice where circle is there, that option only we are going to select, and in that first question is surname. Same way we are going to give first name and parents name, and here this question should be the required question. Same way, next question, just a little correction in surname, don't give multiple choice. It should be short answer. It should be short answer so that they can write their surname there. If it's a multiple choice, then it would be wrong for everyone. Okay, so surname, it should be short answer. Then for first name, parents name, it should be short answer, means they can type their names there. Here we are not going to allow any marks, so don't give here marks or don't give here answers. Then after that you can add section after giving the details, after students details, surname, first name, parents name, just add one section, and this will take you to the next page. This will take students to the next page, and you can give this section a name, maybe mental math or whatever, remembering, understanding, whatever title you want to give to that section you can give. And then add questions, multiple choice questions. One thing is that don't select this checkbox. That is first thing, because it can select multiple options. Second thing, drop down list, it's not working on some devices. Maybe some problem is there in screen or what, but it's not working. And if you want to give match the pairs, select this one, multiple choice grid or tick box grid, anyone you can say. Best way, select multiple choice grid. This first option, if you can see, there are many dots are the given, circle dots. Just select this one for match the pairs. After your paper is ready, just go to the settings. When your paper is ready, go to the settings. First option is general. There collect email addresses. uh, Only that one only you have to check it. Then require sign in, limit their responses to one response. Means students will just attempt the test for one time only. Collect email addresses, first one. Second one is limit to one response. These two options we have to check in general settings. And downsides, it should be to empty. Then in second option, presentation, show progress bar. Means students can see how many questions they have solved, how many questions are remaining. So show progress bar. Third option, quizzes. Now if you I will take you to the question paper. if I want to give here marks, it's not showing me marks. There is no option. If I will type the here, suppose any question, name, and suppose downside I have given some options. It was not showing here options, answer key and points. It was not showing here because I have not done this as a quiz. So in settings, third option is quizzes. I have to on this as a quiz. So it will show me options, their answer key option and points option it will show. And I have to release mark not immediately after each submission but later after manual review. And this downside, three options we have to uncheck: missed questions they cannot see, correct answers they cannot see, or point values. We are unchecking this because even if we are not showing the marks, if these we are showing them, they will come to know their marks. So just this we have to uncheck and save these settings. And to the right side of the send button, there is one option: add collaborators. Here we have to add the email address of the teachers, those who are in charge teachers of your class, and my email address or ma'am's email address we can add there, so that we can edit the form. If any difficulty is there, if it's not working, we can change it. So just type the email address there. If it's not there in your address, then you can type it there. The email address which are there, it's showing here, like ma'am's email address, it's there. I can just click on this, so she can edit the form immediately. She will be the editor. Here option is showing she is the editor. So like this we can do. And while sending, that is everybody knows now how to send. Sometimes what's happening, the common problem last time happened, whenever we are changing the questions or some changes we are making, that time again we are going to the link button and creating a new link. So no need to make a new link. Even if you are making some changes, it will be saved automatically. No need to make a new link. If you make a new link, previous link may not work. So from my side, it's over. Just one thing was remaining, that is accepting responses. We can go to the response tab and manually we can switch it on or switch it off. You can give the message here that this exam will start at so on, so time and on so date. And after exam it's over or you are late, any message you can give. Yes, any questions?
Sir, how to
Sagar sir,
send?
Sagar sir,
Yes.
add collaborators.
Yes.
Add collaborators कसं घ्यायचं परत एकदा सांगा.
सर हे सेंड बटन आहे ना, सेंड बटनच्या उजव्या साईडला
हा
तीन
हा
डॉट्स
हा
आहेत. त्या
हा
तीन
सेंड हा
डॉट्स मध्ये प्रिंटच्या खाली ऍड
हा
कोलॅबोरेटर्स ऑप्शन आहे.
हा
इथे तुम्ही फक्त
हा
ईमेल ऍड्रेस टाकायचा आहे. ज्यांनाही तुम्ही ऍड करायचे ना, त्यांचा ईमेल ऍड्रेस
हा
टाकायचा आहे तिथे फक्त.
ओके
आणि शेवटी त्यांना सेव्ह करा आणि एडिटर म्हणून परमिशन द्यायची. आता इथे आपण काय, sometimes what happens, we are creating the test and we are only checking it, so it will show the responses. 1 minute. Here,
Sir,
if I will take to the response tab, I have done this test and I only solved this test. So here it's showing one response. If you can see, one response. So before the exam, just go there to the response tab and delete all responses. If you are sure that only you have solved, if there is only one, then you can do this. And if you are doing this after the exam, don't do it. Okay.
ओके सर ओके.
So
sir, how to send it?
send, ma'am, go to the send option. Make sure it's showing first option email, second is link. We are creating the link. To the left side, downside is showing shorten link. This URL will be there, link, copy it, and you can send it on WhatsApp. Web WhatsApp we have to use for that.
So automatically our link will be created there.
Yes, automatically link will be created, and every time if we are sending after some changes, every time if you are clicking on the send button, every time link will be different. So don't do that. My suggestion is, means first URL, first link may not work for that. automatically all changes are saved, so no need to make a new link for the next time.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sagar sir, thank you very much for a nice explanation.
Thank you to you, ma'am, and thank you to all the teachers for listening me.